Hey everyone, Scarlett Johansson and Ryan Reynolds got a divorce after just 2 years of marriage. Now, he was voted People Magazine's sexiest man alive. I think I look better. Scarlett Johansson, the Iron Man 2 star, is unquestionably hot. But they're also great actors. And it's unfortunate that whatever happened between them, they couldn't seem to make their Hollywood life work and their professional lives work at the same time. And it seemed like just when both of them were becoming stars, their personal life collapses. Isn't it funny how that works? Really unfortunate. In Ryan Reynolds' case, next year he's going to be, well, he is the star of the Green Lantern, and trailers have flown all around the place. In fact, if you take a look at this link right here, you can see the trailer that's on the Zenny 62 channel about the Green Lantern. Scarlett Johansson is right now, as I understand it, in Jamaica, according to the New York Daily News, with her gal pals. Unfortunate. Scarlett's on the market. Woohoo! But it's unfortunate that there aren't more high-profile marriages out of Hollywood that we hear are celebrating their 10th anniversary or the 20th anniversary. That's the kind of news that we'd all like to hear. At least I would.